Tested mic 1212 Musonfo Mariana wa two moto de general aka political general aka Kumah mayor aka social media president. For first time here, subscribe to the to my YouTube channel, leave your comment and share. What two moto TV. You made it in a hand, teacher you made. It's all about video reactions, post reactions, and caption reactions. Yani reacted to any video even on social media na so. First time so you subscribe. Na channel say me do media media abophobia da Roma. Ana esoma some media bro dan da nyina. Edi na didi so Kemesa stabilities. Odi na dwumadi e wo lotum. Oye lotto agent. E wo Kumah Kwabre South constituency. Na de ma papa yehu yehu a metia e bodawru e ma ne se obi ankotwa na ba ho no eni. Owa kukudama o me lotto operators. Mo shena se e won lotto adwuma no enti e ma ono no lotto adwuma no eye fala because akudam yen saying Mr. Adams, Mr. Frank and Mr. Hotto omo ya kudam ankasa lotto no ba mu ontimi nyi omu sinchen omo so na aso Kemesa stabi asene enti wa hu se Kemesa stabi na adwuma anya agudi o wa Frank Gonko junction kotwa ba koma Kemesa stabi lotteries na odi billions ko e be ka wade am kama papa from Monday to Sunday Kemesa stabi e be in office ko na ko twa ba koma kama pa saso na prestige court eye bia ye home from Monday to Sunday ko prestige court abie na apon owo ko be new site junction I wanna prestige court ewo ko na ko dawa kama pa amame saso na eye Rogers Beauty Palace ewo afrancho eye Sechewa Bank na di hwani mu me ma ko first video a video of John Kumah almost took my land computer man a caption computer man yosofo
group no nya tomi no me di 7 kwasiase amanne abana boka ama nyuma bebre guo e won kwanta maamre peduara na circulate no e na sase bia na da ho eno eye Accra ha na Kumah ajuso constituency na sase bia da ho na we were John Kumah no person the project e ma constituency no na asase maamre
na ya oro me ba se oro John Kumah MP for Joso. Any name the atono. Say food poison be a poison food be a man dinner blah blah blah. A whole lot of stories. Na and come on. I told Bia Asamba na busa say did see Nora and I didn't see the animal. Yen na wa ha na ehu video of one woman bia. All can no baby be in some ehu
project what do you pack castle so I say the one with a private business. What about the San Diego? I just say, what is a senior? Get to a man that you're bad one. Get to a man, no, you're bad one. Kumah, what we are, I get the Coco's and your pure piano. Coco's and your pure piano.
Scary West. Oh no man Sam a good dinner me boy is John Kumah iso. All because of say John Kumah besre o masase. Are you listening? John Kumah the late besre na sase say the project be in the name of I just mine. And my man is say buto baba me krom there. You can use it. After the man so ho a amafo dwane soldiers by John Kumah. Ye ransaki obia free land na so. Ye tu obia because of say oye MP, or say minister. Enti baby okosre no, baby ode me pacho okosre no. Afi do the timi or the power edge. Uti ngomani. Iwi ase ye nkan wo che o say agro ye. On say by dem do kwase food poison blah blah blah. Ho na mo de bako. Ho na mo de bako. Na ka mo de bako hene. You all refi say obatan bi abesu age kan sama kire universe ama universe waso utie papa isu a computer man ono so na sase e ka kete enka owura John Kumah je na se ono de ne MP no obedi ye no e wo dweso no oba so obaje nsase enye wo na make men na se the story woman dey ba me ka ma dwenchele no owura John Kumah de late be bia wo bia me ka che so sama ne gina so ntie ntie to abama won adweso fo to abama won obi yu as MP no omo mfon so me ye no apede na oba se wo de wo pe obaje omo nsase me se computer man no true sa video na ma me no memo ahwe memo sa video no because it's not nice. That video was not nice and today too is not nice. Say obi ho sire obi ade say otomoto metie na bia fun ye bia one Pablo dia na ma say Pablo ma fun na Pablo re fun ma me na afedi all of a sudden ma be big man tim hu ni say meti mesizi Pablo fun ampa me sizi mesizi ansa na ka say Pablo no on fire obi ngo kasa munim sama me no de ya na kasa e asamunya murafi. So like I was saying, John Kumah, don't think say it be a food poison and I say we all shouldn't think say it's only about the food poison and poison or MPP blah 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 blah. One of the question. But we were on a ref say John Kumah too was seizing people's land. I have a whole lot of videos. Whole lot of videos dear 20 social media. Man, and then I want to say you are big. Don't use your bigness to intimidate somebody. Senior man or MPT. He thought and he felt wait my age will be season people's land. Mama no, she was crying on all the social media platforms. Obiati, we saw the video. Obia was saying was as say me baby in the name of Ejusuman. Now mama na say am also akomapam because also a citizen, papa good citizen. Now fed the land na ma it be wiase a who use land on your own as yama wa who si wa nkasa wo die na so. Big man. The person can say I can be new, I can make a natural, but whoa, the enemy so somebody say food poison, somebody say open poison. At the end of the day, I want you people to know, say we are all here living normal life. Don't try to intimidate somebody, all because you are big today, because you don't know tomorrow. Maybe today that you are big, tomorrow you are going to be small, and that person who used to be small to you yesterday, you two are going to be small to him today. So know your ways. Know your ways. I don't want it to be like MPP for no go share na yap. Man, monto e no twentwene. I don't know some to twentwene na say mo be some focus in na corner and MPP. You also think about that man so dey no be no. The woman was cursing this man. And she was bitterly cursing this man. Na mo ka say bodu anya aduma. Obeto asa anto ho, we wo akonaji wo ho, patanje ho, we ho na edumbo di anya wana. On that day, woman or the sumbo dia. And other times you don't come to feel say me a big man or me MP, me say minister, me say deputy finance minister. Do I care? Big man, and ku na be ku ntina o. Shane so. Ntina kejeti adolo no ani ni na we di nchina. And then you want to go to the general Friday bia met Angel FM me I the unpredictable. Oba Kumasi na Friday o pese wasumi ode na obetuni on radio there Fato Angel 96.1 watomo to mejima egua. I delve into matters, you understand? But how do make sure you subscribe, you leave your comment and share. You go so reactions na reaction way John Kumah almost took my land by a computer man, one great man of God. Ono so hunu se ka John Kumah merebi ka wan kantima ka nyame amfafia ka John Kumah esizi ne land. Be season the land basa what does it we should watch our ways. We should watch our ways. Ebia, you have it today and you think that's all, man. You don't know tomorrow. As we day here, no, nobody knows what tomorrow will bring. So know your ways. 100%. You have to know your ways because nipa bi nsurade bi nipa bi timi de bi di agro na so okay obi abowia. You think say your finance deputy finance minister enye wana hwe konfo kwa ebonu dwam konfo na otebo somo no kwa ebonu dwam ni konfo sofo na oye na biaduma no otimi ko mess up na abonu dwam na sofo eno ma bi wa nya agudi don't take it as a joke. You understand? You go another post we know a post of me hun say GHP na post you I say this is needless and waste of money. Ghanaians blast Dr. Grace Bodu's family for buying in her 50k coffin. One disappointed netizen commented, expensive coffin, but there are poor people in her family that needs only a bed to stand on their feet. Waste of money. Yanko sa post no emergency. Welcome back, guys. Post no na etwagu like I read earlier. Me ba che Ghana for dey. The comments are even una nyim nyansa why. Abuofunu ka Dr. Grace Bodu ababo bra wo wiase na abebre na wo wu no. Kwa seti ke goto coffin 2 siri na pa ntu. Says can be pen. Is it your money? Says can e o ma media. It's her own money. Until the family can choose to waste it on that fateful day. O metima says can nyina nuka say how be abi. Na e kuro wi na nkasa na e fe ne Ghana ndie. E problem. Wo kuro wi mu na e problem because any problem ada kwa obi matter o ma na ya matter. Dr. Grace Bodu obusia for ehunu say omunya ba no abre so also man better coffin to go and sleep. Now na kwasia wote body no so na unika pre body so no unika pre obi adom be tensiri akoto data na o baba comment bi na obejimi wa man me pa na kamnya ba no kwa na kamini wan siri kura di an kamini sikere nya be na yie because on na be bre pe asiato just kan wa de e be yinas kete kan o me discard say no nipa no mu amoso wa anwo abuofu te ke ba ni sika nkoma hwan man we are not here to joke. Wabahana, live your own life. Make sure someone can get your own money. Obisika, they don't go and teach somebody to spend his own money. How about them? We're the one who made the money for that woman. At that time, that woman was suffering, going up and down to get that hospital. No? Where were you? You were somewhere sleeping and snoring. Was Jimmy. And then all these things. I want existence no worth you or young person can't miss you. Big man. Munya Jimmy no wa oti social media so Jimmy jai GH catch your comment section ko munya Jimmy comment readers munya Jimmy no billions of cities also come see no play mu na ka funu na wiem because Dr. Grace Bodu abre adame dey ono ani sika enya busoni bi na pace karaman ti obi wona busoni no abra emfa no ho by force ari etikroma no ye hu busoni bi o tra so obo mo no so mu Jimmy by force obo busoni na obo busoni Jimmy are nko bo outside na watam 3 billion ma nwa na akwose no aba na sa tamana 3 billion na akwose na aba ade anu nwa wa bodam me na wo ma akoto mamponkunu kwa na che. You think we are playing here? Allow Dr. Grace Bodu family to spend the money on the lady because at the end of the day she sweat for the money. It's not your money. We're the one who made the money for that lady. She made it herself tirelessly on up and down. Si oba besi onyi seske onim si edi ni kura onim size awo ye ma edi no killer Jimmy no. Allow the lady to enjoy her money and last. I don't know, she's no more. Until that day, no, last day, no, allow her to be respected, to be treated as a queen, like she used to be when she was alive. Mudi hiya ke kan kwasa sam san hiyan. Misimire bi sana msometi u. Kwasa ke kasa. Na mento we. Ene hu hiya. Hiya ni de bia bibi hu hiya. Abuofu unu no me hiya yenya ye. Bibinti ne nya yiti ne se hia masa na me ma mi wo no wu na nya bia na sana kasa tam na ya san bonsu na obi bodu akoduru akonto na bibi eko ya ka masie ma mo plane me ka kire mo si obi ya san ne ba na babo professional team jank etwa ne ka week bia no me sika anka yi me ye ma me ka baji mu nsem you we don't get head asiamu tri nyina anye na free respect media kura ba so mu do ezi ya yi no edini ya watu motor general. I control social media space when it comes to Ghana. If you no be me, no be anybody. Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. I day Angel FM. Every Friday, I day Angel FM with the biggest radio host in Ghana. When you come to Ghana, he's the biggest radio host. Ike the Unpredictable. Nyane. Ike by radio is not what you could so they were told about them. Ike or a senior. So I respect this man a lot. The Friday be out na kunyam na msubeti makunyam. You understand? Devin to matters your reaction na one of us blah yai ma me kura semba mitim post no ma ye no me duru fia ma adwuma na mkoye when they do two calls forget about friendship forever whatever on the I am si twam no sa na me twam what I say we a post of Dr. Grace Bodu amanfo bi some kaka fa no after send abusuafo I don't know whether it's true or not sakura isua sa 50k na mrokoto fundaka ni sua bwana obi abebre obi ase na mkosie na 50k ehu hia sene so dwumadi amedi abofu bi adaroma ana mamedi dwumadi bi odende day in day out kemesa stabilo trees oko kumase fija kwa bre sauta loto agenta o masa amantemo nyina ayede enye ono a anya obi a kemesa stabilo trees Dieti ama na dwuma na ide ne se wo kuku dama mo hyerechi Mr Frank obokuma sikro dwuma na ope Mr Frank loto operator Adams loto operator hot loto operator anya ma nyobi a omo na se kemesa sabi asema ni loto dwuma no koso yakwa another video of MDK akwana ono awia kwa no a winter jacket awia kura e bana MDK a jacket pullover kakra nim de habo wi enti emire bi asebara go be ka se e kura gugu e kuro because I did see no assistant like problem. It's your video of him also. Or Caucus one in Simbian comments here.
Because I won't talk about Case one. You see, I met Okese in Cape Coast so many years ago. I don't really remember, so I know you want to talk some year or some date where you know will be. I meet them through somebody will bring them to my hotel after some show for Cape Coast UCC. He come see me. He say he won't make a do verse for him. He won't make a put them on. He they look up to me. I've been inspiration, everything. And I was like, okay, cool. Because me, I put voice on. You know, that wasn't the first time. So many boys will blow for the industry. I do verses for most of them. I know some of them. I know.
Welcome back, guys. So this is how the caption goes. I say, okay, so one range got bent. His dad dead. It means say, okay, so one range na ashana ne papa wo no. MDK. You want to say, okay, so one moti again na okantina. Esisana. Hey, MDK. And I put some people on abuafunu. MDK, you were nobody, and I Keswado, I put you on, and also I am Munya Kasa bi, and maybe I Yakopon bomb module review. You were nobody, MDK, you were nobody, and I Keswado so put you on, and also and I said, I put there a lot of Ghanaian artists, I gave them best. We best, Papa Bay, or Madana, and I roll. We proper best where you now MDK, and they are Keswan, and the cash, and the Papa Ua. MDK Jimmy Kasano. And now Moti again give Masano to no being tears for them 247. Somebody they go church 247. Somebody be pastor, somebody be prophet, into he die. In Peking, in family members they die. Ada obi a phone. Obi a confirm. Obi koye say Amoti again kintia. Anything na papa woman in range over. Killer. Ya kwani nim da say wono keswan eko. Ene no mo se sento kwa mo ko nyina wono keswan eko. Na ade yelo le kuta no. Ede na wo medical. Hey, this is medical my life for me live okroma there. Hey, asemo. Medical party otimba yese ejezi mo no be ye. Sako dem do ho enya aso. Medical party otimba yese sako dem enya aso because hwe dey watch na and I put people on. Medical. Me say it took Creswado to put you on. Tama na onyo bia. Hano. Ensa we mi no. We help we na we help we. Inti jase na obuo bia na odi tu no. Ene na obo me chene bia na me so mbebo inti medical. Stop talking as if say ona wabo Yesu kura. Man no o ma me be Mary. Stop fooling, man. We don't do that way. And then no, I'm not here say okay so one they are to me and I say I'm here to but okay so one to be human being. They are to be nipa. They are to be so e betima to no. What I say, South America we betima to ma me betima u papa betima u. O ka betima she. U feel ko betima she. Ana oni mana. On ka bi she betima bada e beda so na America o feel ja dem. E betima da so na me nka bi she na me feel ja jai de oye no. Jai de oye no na bibiansi. Ah. Medical you to be gangster way they do like that. Gangster. We ne do betena be ka say obi si amoti ntina ne papa wu na ne mami ne papa wu na ne class wa she. Medical. Na ode na oye. Nti usum nyame ana so yere. Who use it then? Nyame no. Medical. Go dey somewhere found to fro ne fa wa chi kuro ko pe be betena. Firi akwa no medical. You no be anybody. Me and I'm hype O2 program. No. Me we had the power. Come and hype. Who Jimmy? I'll come and tell you, America, stop fooling. Allow Kes want to be. Okay, so want to be your son. Into you do good things for himself. Stop that fool. America, I really like you, pa. Maybe they say when himself, we are the power. I'll come and pick you up. Oh yeah, I'll come and shout at you. That be me, no. It didn't know what to do in the socially, they can political general. But first time now, subscribe, leave your comment and share. Above form, so much money media, bro. Kumah Stabilities, Kusti Casual, Rogers Beauty Palace, Prestige Court. These are my sponsors, great sponsors. If without them, I'm nobody. You understand? Great sponsors. I'm gonna manage media about 247. Big ups to man like Kumah, I respect you a lot. Big ups to man like Prestige Court, I respect you a lot. Big ups man like Rogers Beauty Palace, I respect you guys. Channel to say, 1st April, you know I'll be event organizer. Even way I put YP on, I put Osek Room on, I put a lot of artists, you know, Kempaluta them, or I host program where I put them on. Black Sharif, Rap Father, Nana 4000, Don King, many artists, great artists. So we are still doing same on 1st April at Afrancho, Kumah Afrancho, inside Moving City Hotel. For Nimunyam Ebetach, because we're giving platform to upcomings. Oh, yeah, upcomings as well. You can come and pass through. I'm out. Should I mention?